Back YT. Back with another one, man. Today we got the Green Hawk in here today. OBS truck. I think it's about a 90, 95. Came in to get roof from One Touch, man. We finna get in the game and get this thing in the game. So we got to get ready and put a old top slide on there. Just showing y'all the beef folks, you know what I'm saying, for right now. Finna get ready and get this thing together, man. Y'all already know what's finna go down. Let me get this door open. So right now, what I'm about to do now is tear down this headliner and all that. Get that toe down, and then basically here make my measurements and stuff like this, so I can go ahead and get the cutting on it. And the seats, I don't have to worry about tearing down interior and all that, covering up interior, because you know you're going to get his seats did and whatnot. So this is what we got going right here. And he got some old TVs. He just told me to throw these away. So that's what I'm gonna do. And only thing I might have to just cover up when I get the welding probably is the radio. Shit. So I'm gonna have this thing. This is gonna be a pretty quick one, man. Got quite a bit still I gotta do. As you can see, the SS back there, you see I got the roof for that. So this is what I'm about to do now. I'm about to start breaking this headliner down, and I'm about to break that headliner down, but this is gonna be another video. So I'm about to go ahead and do what I gotta do on here, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on the next step. That's just how I do it, man. I just show y'all the steps. Boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all what I'm working on and show y'all the steps. Let you see how it's going. Just to get a little motivation, man, for somebody who want to do something like this, you know, to do it. Just all you got to do is just get out there and grind, get it. Make sure all your measurements and all that lining up. Make sure you're doing what you got to do. Taking the precautions that you got to take, man, you can get it done. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and break them on down, man, and do what I gotta do real quick. Ain't gonna be no long process. It's gonna be a quick process. So y'all have to stay locked and loaded. I gotta check in with the wife real quick. She calling me in. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute. All right, it's the morning time and we still working this thing. I ended it last night by just cutting the hole. It ended up waking up this morning. Hold on, I got my mouth covered up. Woke up this morning and went on and cut the secondary skin out. So when you're doing the OBS trucks, you got a secondary skin. I think that with the NBSs, I don't think it's a secondary skin on the NBS. When I done one, so I can't remember. But yeah, I think it's no skin, secondary skin on the NBS. But I got this thing out of here. So we got action now. Got action now, so the hole is cut. So I already got it grinded down to bare metal at the top, so I won't have to worry about that. So what I'm about to do now is the skin that I'm putting in. I'm gonna go ahead and grind that down to bare metal, and then I'm gonna cut it down to a nice little size that I want, and we're gonna go from there. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when I got that skin in there and I'm ready to weld up. So y'all just hold tight. And then, like I say, separate video for the SS. I'm doing that as well right now. Y'all won't see all that in this video, but it will be on the next. I got that one ready. So just gotta cut the hole in that one now while I'm in a cutting mood. Go ahead and cut the hole on that one. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute, man, when I get this skin in here and get it welded. And then we're gonna get some wire to it. We're gonna get some fire to it, some wire to it. And then we're gonna go ahead and run these old drain plugs. I don't have none for this one, so I'm gonna run off and have to go get some. I think I got some, but I don't know if I got enough. So, man, we're finna get to it, man. This thing gonna be out of here. Right now it's probably like 9 o'clock, and this thing gonna be out, ready to go by at least 4. So, mark my word on that one. But yeah, about to get on it, man. So y'all stay locked and loaded. Yes, sir. YT, that's why I said, man, ain't no cap in the rap, man. Y'all see OTC, One Touch Customz, man. It's out of the traffic. It's out of the traffic, man. Y'all remember this one? Boy, out of the traffic.
He got you right for it too.
Try to make it a minute long so I can get the, you know what I'm saying? They did it right. Y'all remember this guy? Money color roof. What's up, lady? Y'all see the women, they out. Memphis 10. He out with it, baby. He bad. Huh? Yep. How much? Hold on. That's all I want.